Hello, cutie pie.
Oh, God damn it.
First, I would like to just get to know you.
Well, how would you get to know me? Son
What do
of
you
a
want?
bitch. You
What's the
son of
matter?
a bitch.
Don't be ridiculous.
I'll say you son of a bitch if I want to.
Stop it! You son of a bitch.
Now, how the hell are you going to get to know me?
Stop whining.
Huh?
What do you want?
What do you want? I don't
Hey,
want
I'm a
anything.
police
I'm just
officer.
trying to talk to the DJs and have them play some music. Maybe I may like to hear, maybe they may like to hear, and et cetera, et cetera.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Yes.
Yeah, who the fuck are you?
I'm Detective John Kimball.
Oh, Detective John Kimball.
Howdy, stranger. This is
I'll tell you, Detective John Kimball.
I want to ask you a bunch
You
of
can
questions.
sit there and you can fucking bite my fucking ass. I ain't doing anything fucking wrong.
Who is it this time?
Who in the hell am I talking to?
I'm a cop, you idiot.
You're not a fucking cop.
My CPU is a neural net processor, a learning computer.
I don't even have a fucking computer.
You son of a bitch.
You son of a bitch.
Stop
I want to
whining.
talk to somebody in command.
I want to ask you a bunch of
I
questions.
want to talk to somebody in command.
I'm Detective John Kimball.
I want to talk to somebody in command.
Wrong.
Well, fuck you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of us is in deep
Oh,
trouble.
fuck you.
What do you want?
I want to talk to somebody in command.
What's the matter?
You fucker.
Come on, don't bullshit me.
You bullshit
Don't be
me.
ridiculous. Now, whatever your name is, get ready for the big surprise.
Alex Spider.
Come on, baby.
Alex Spider.
You're the girl of my dreams.
I am. Oh, Jesus
You
Christ.
son of a bitch.
You son of a bitch.
Well, you must be very proud of yourself.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Stop
you son
it.
of a bitch. I ain't sure
Stop whining.
I'm not. You son of a bitch.
Howdy, stranger. This is Hauser.
There is no fucking Hauser
How are you?
here.
Nice to meet you.
I want to talk to Alex Spider, and I want to talk to Stevenson Dreamland, and I want to talk to Jamal.
First, I would like to just get to know you.
Well, fuck you.
Who is your daddy, and what does he do?
My fucking daddy was a fucking dick, didn't believe in anything, and that's why I am the way I am today.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Negative.
Fucker. Wrong. Oh, wrong.
What do you want?
What do you want? What
I
do
hope
you
you're living
fucking
up-
want?
Don't
What
be
do you fucking want from me?
Now, whatever your name is,
Oh, Stevenson Dreamland. Let's go to Stevenson Dreamland.
You
JC
son of a
Black.
bitch.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You son of a bitch.
You son of a bitch.
just do what I tell you.
Fuck you.
Come on, don't bullshit me.
I'm gonna bullshit you and fuck you.
Stop it!
I'm either JC Blast, and that's it.
Nice to meet you.
Well,
Who is it this time?
you're talking to Stevenson Dreamland.
Correct.
What'd I say?
Yes.
What'd I say?
Yeah.
What'd I say?
One of us is in
What
deep
did I
trouble.
say?
Don't be ridiculous.
You son of a bitch.
Alright.
Howdy, stranger.
Don't say howdy stranger to me.
Howdy, stranger.
I wrote a song. The lyrics are gonna work. It's gonna win me some money. Gonna win me some exposure. So, fuck you.
Howdy, stranger.
Well, fuck you, stranger.
Howdy, stranger.
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 Fuck you,
Howdy,
stranger.
stranger.
Fuck you, stranger.
Howdy,
Fuck you,
stranger.
fuck
Howdy,
you, fuck you,
stranger.
stranger.
Howdy,
I want to talk to somebody civilized.
Howdy, stranger.
Fuck you, stranger.
Howdy, stranger.
Fuck you, stranger.
How are you?
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 Fucker.
How are you?
You're me being a motherfucker
I want to
here.
ask you a bunch of questions.
Not asking you shit. Hello?
Who is it this time?
Hello?
Who are you?
Hello?
Who are you?
Hello?
Goodbye.
Who's that? Now get out of here. Ah, you fool, get the fuck out. Mm-hmm. You ready? You goddamn better believe it. Then take your drawers off and work your legs. Open your ass up like a keg. Let me tap it. I must have it. Very fool, you are mine. I'll drink your ass like wine, and when semen pours all over your head, you know you must be dead.
Skeletor, I know you groove and shake it so damn good. And when you come on through my hood, I'll give you a piece of what?
You furry fool, I know, and I will not disagree. But there's one thing we don't like, and it starts with he. Man, oh no, I don't know which way to run or turn.
Don't worry, Skeletor, your pants on fire. My cock will burn. My cock's on fire. For more dick. You know, Skeletor,
Yes, my head is so damn thick like yours. No brain inside, just a lot of fucking fur.